What if one tiny apple seed could become your very own fruit tree? Sounds impossible, doesn't it? But what if I told you there's a smart gardening trick that can dramatically speed up the process? Would you try it? Stay with me, because today I'll show you how to grow an apple tree from seed and how experienced growers can help that tree produce fruit much sooner than most people think. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, have you ever planted a fruit seed before? Did it grow or did it fail? I'd love to hear your experience. Now let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right apple. Not every apple gives you the same chance of success. The healthier the apple, the healthier the seeds. Choose a fresh, fully ripe apple from the market or your own garden. Organic apples are often a better choice because their seeds are less likely to have been damaged during processing. Open the apple carefully and remove several healthy-looking seeds. Why several? Because not every seed will germinate. Step 2. Clean the seeds. Remove every bit of fruit from the seeds. Even a small amount of apple flesh can encourage mold. Wash them thoroughly under clean water. Then dry them on a paper towel for about 24 hours. Simple step. Huge difference. Have you ever skipped a small gardening step only to regret it later? Little details matter. Step 3. Give the seeds a winter. Here's something many beginners don't know. Apple seeds won't sprout immediately. They actually expect winter first. Gardeners call this cold stratification. Wrap the seeds inside a damp paper towel. Place them inside a sealed plastic bag. Then store the bag in your refrigerator, not the freezer, for about 6 to 8 weeks. Check every week. Step 4. Plant the sprouted seeds. After several weeks, you'll notice tiny white roots emerging. Congratulations! Life has begun. Now prepare small pots filled with rich, well-draining potting mix. Plant each seed about ½ an inch deep. Water gently. Place the pot somewhere warm with plenty of sunlight. The stronger the light, the stronger the stem. Step 5. Water correctly. Here's where many people make their first big mistake. Too much water. Apple seedlings don't like sitting in soggy soil. Water only when the top layer begins to dry. Think moist, not muddy. Can overwatering kill a plant? Absolutely. In fact, more plants die from too much love than too little. Step 6. Give it more space. As your seedling grows taller, its roots need room. Move it into a larger container. This encourages stronger root development. Healthy roots create healthy trees. Have you ever seen a beautiful tree growing from a tiny pot? Exactly. Roots need freedom. Step 7. The secret to getting fruit faster. Now comes the part that surprises most people. An apple tree grown only from seed usually takes 6 to 10 years, or even longer, to produce fruit. So how do some growers harvest apples much sooner? They use a technique called grafting. Grafting joins your young seed-grown tree with a branch, called a scion, taken from a mature apple tree that's already capable of producing fruit. Think of it like giving your young tree an experienced top half. Once the graft heals, the mature branch continues behaving like an adult tree. Amazing, right? Without grafting, you'll likely wait many years. Would you rather wait a decade or learn one new gardening skill? Step 9. Protect your young tree. Young apple trees are vulnerable. Protect them from insects. Watch for fungal diseases. Remove damaged leaves immediately. Good airflow helps prevent many common problems. Healthy trees always produce better harvests. Prevention is much easier than treatment. Step 10. Give it plenty of sunshine. Apple trees love sunlight. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours every day. More sunlight means stronger branches. better flowers, sweeter fruit. Without enough sunlight, growth slows dramatically. Could your planting location be the reason your fruit trees struggle? It's worth checking. Bonus tips. Here are a few extra tricks successful gardeners swear by. Mulch around the base to keep moisture in. Keep weeds away. Prune carefully to shape the tree. Support young branches if necessary. Always inspect your tree every week. The earlier you spot a problem, the easier it is to solve. Small actions today prevent big problems tomorrow. Growing an apple tree is more than planting a seed. It's a lesson in patience, consistency, and smart gardening. If you grow only from seed, you're starting an exciting journey that can eventually reward you with a completely unique apple tree, but you'll usually need to wait several years before tasting your first fruit. If your goal is to enjoy apples much sooner, combining a seed-grown rootstock with a graft from a mature fruiting variety is the proven shortcut used by experienced orchard growers around the world. So, what would you choose? Would you grow an apple tree from seed just for the adventure? Or would you master grafting and enjoy fruit much sooner? Tell us your answer in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next gardening guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.